Hey, is that, yeah, it's George Haydock from Pioneer. At the moment, I've got some contractors that are doing really well, and I've got some contractors that are finding it really hard. It's challenging out there, we all know. But the answer is, what can I do that's different? And I explain to them, you know what? You mightn't be doing anything wrong. It just may be timing. The market's difficult at the moment, but also timing is important. Let me see. I read a book once called, I think, Blue Ocean, Red Ocean, which was quite good. I might have got the name wrong, but anyway. So what happens is that it's saying in a blue ocean is that, and for blue oceans for us, it's what people want to, when they develop an economy or commerce, how they spend their money. And usually they spend it on one of three things. They're either spending it on relationships, they're spending it on health, or they're spending it on wealth. And for us in our area, it's wealth. So what is it in the wealth side that is important? So let's do that. So here's a blue ocean. And we call it wealth. So people are wealthy, they come up with some idea, and in a blue ocean with wealth, there's lots of fish, and you throw your line in and it's easy to make money, it's easy to do that. But then what happens after a while is that in that ocean, is that with all of these fish, is that all of a sudden sharks come along and they start eating the fish that you're competing with, and it becomes a red ocean because of all the blood in the water. So we colour that in. It's now becoming red. Is that in our side? So our first ocean was air conditioning. So in the beginning is that when people started to make wealth in our area, they went into air conditioning, AC. And so the AC part was just a fixed speed machine. And so they developed fixed speed air conditioning, started to make money. There wasn't many people doing it, so those who were doing it were making a bit of money. And then other people got into making air conditioning, like the sharks in the blue ocean, and it became red. Is that because there was too many people selling? So red. So the ocean's red, and so people think, hang on, I need to do a variation so as I can do that. So they moved from just a fixed speed air conditioner to inverter. So an inverter air conditioner is that, so if you remember maybe 20 years ago, inverters were new, they were energy saving, all of that. And so the market was quite good. Then the same thing happened. If we went to shows, we started to see inverter machines popping up everywhere. Everybody started to have a brand of inverters. So you know what? Is that those who were first selling inverters could make good money, good profit. Is that, and then it became a red ocean. So as it became a red ocean, they changed it slightly. They changed the refrigerant. They went from R22 to a refrigerant of 410A. They said the advantage to 410A was that it was a non-ozone depleting refrigerant. So that was the marketing side. That's what made the ocean blue. R410A. So R410A was there, we know that. You can work out what's happened there with R410A. Everybody moved to R410A. So it became a red ocean. The sharks were there. Is that now, and for all of you who are going to ARBS this week, have a look around, do some homework while you're there. Look at the amount of air conditioners that are now R32. How many R32 air conditioners are out there? Tell me, is this a red ocean or a blue ocean? Could that be your timing problem? Is that, imagine if you got ahead of the race, you would have an opportunity to make more money. You'd be catching that wave. Why catch the wave when it's at the end, when there's no power left in it. What you want to do is catch it when it's coming through. So the question that I have for you is that, where's the next wave? Where's the next blue ocean? Is that, I'd say it's natural refrigerants. Is that, but anyway, while you're at ARBS, do some of your homework, have a look around. Is that, and then if you think that the R32 ocean is getting bloody and quite red, why not come across and talk to me in the air conditioning side? We've got the next biggest thing, which is hydrocarbon natural refrigerants. Anyway, I hope my little video is helpful for you. If you are struggling at the moment, it just may be timing. Move to the next wave. There's lots of money to be made there.